The summit so far has been outstanding. I'm really looking forward to the rest of it. The connects that I've made with other speakers and the attendees, and when I look at the different topics that we're going to be talking about, whether they be talent to value, HR management, lean in different systems, or the technologies that we can bring to bear, this is an invaluable use of my time. Really happy to have come here today.
It's always great for me to turn up and learn great things and new ways of thinking as well. So it's been very engaging, continuing to learn a ton as we progress over the next couple of days, but it's been fantastic.
It's really inspiring to be around like-minded folks and really look at what's the art of the possible and what we can all do if we're challenging each other, heading in the right direction, and then inspiring each other or motivating each other to do more. And that's that competition piece.
Everybody's really aware of what's in front of us. And yes, we hear about what's going around us, but the fact that in what I do, which is medical devices, there's a lot of restrictions when it comes to operational excellence or AI or all that. But to hear the stories of these amazing, talented leaders and speakers, it actually opens a new world for all of us that we could then apply into medical devices.
It's really inspiring to know that all of our challenges are very similar, even though we might be in different aspects of manufacturing, and that we can work together and learn from each other on how to best move forward as an industry.
We have such a tremendous legacy of manufacturing here in the United States, but we need to make the courageous choices to plow forward, seek new ways to innovate, find value, and do it together.